Hey boys, say morning.
Morning.
Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. We're starting the vlog on the beach this morning. Okay, what is it?
This is yesterday.
Yes, they saw you yesterday and they seen you today again.
Yeah.
Right. My handsome snack over there in his hat. He hates when I say that. But I love when he's wearing hat. You guys, good morning. We are on the beach this morning, bright and early. We are out to let Tyler have a bunch of fun. Normally where we are is the same place that you guys saw in our vlog, I think last week. So we're back on the same stretch of road because there will be activities for kids going on along this stretch of road. We're talking about bounce about, pony ride, obstacle course, everything that you can think of will be happening. Okay, this lighting is better. Will be happening on this road for the kids. So we like to take Tyler here every year, and I think this year he'll have more fun because he's bigger now, he's stronger now, he can do all the climbs and stuff like that. So we are excited and he's excited, and yeah, I'm out here in my steam fish and okra body.
Mama.
Baby girl is here chilling.
Mama.
Yes, baby.
You know, Dr. Papa gave to me the park.
Yeah. So Tyler is so excited, and yeah, we're just gonna have a good day, and then probably after lunch when he finished almost all the obstacles or all of them, let's see how far we'll go, then we'll just head back home and continue the rest of our day. But enjoy today's vlog. If it's your first time to the channel, make sure you subscribe. And next thing, you guys, make sure that you guys go to our channel every day, Monday to Friday. Our vlog is there because I understand that a lot of you not getting the notifications, so please just go to our vlog, go to our channel every day, and a vlog will be there. Okay, love you guys. Catch up and keep up on the rest of today's vlog with all the fun stuff that we'll be doing. Okay, you ready, Pumpkin?
Yes.
Yeah.
I think it wasn't bad here.
No, it was good. Obstacles start from all the way up here, and its stretches go all the way along this street. So Tyler get to choose what he wanna do. I think he's gonna start at this one right here. I think this is the same one he started last year. And he is so excited. Tyler, you're gonna have to give Mama your hat, okay? Give me a hat. You start here, sorry.
Back to. Chaussures ici.
Take off your shoes, Pumpkin. Whoa! Good job. All right, focus now, okay? Good job. Put your hand out like this. Both hands out like this. No, out. Stand. Put your hand out. Okay, go in now. Good job. Look where you're going. Go, go, go.
Hop, hop, attention. Et hop.
Good job! Continue, go!
Mets tes mains là. Hop, il faut que tes jambes passent de l'autre côté.
Go, baby. Over. Jump. Yeah. Yeah. Good job.
Allez, on se met debout. Et on roule. Allez.
Wow!
Allez, regarde. Comment t'expliques? Tu t'es loupé? Allez, va dedans.
Allez, tu montes. Allez, tu montes.
Hop, hop là. Bravo.
Dommage.
Hop là. Vas-y mon grand. Sur tes lunettes, hein.
This is the next one Ty gonna go in. He had so much fun last year, and this year is gonna be, look at them, they're like two big kids. Up! Ty! Ty! Climb the middle! Yes! Alright, go! Call him through there. Go up there. Hey! Do small. You see him? He should be coming. Oh, you reached down already? Go. This little boy is climbing on him like. Go, Ty. Go, go. Go, go. These big kids on it, damn. Don't let him go back. Oh, she?
Do it on the side.
Hey, go through the hole, Ty. Well, it cannot make him be brave. You okay? You wanna go around and come again? You wanna do it one more time? Go. Go get him. Damn. So this one that he's in is for 5 years and up, but he did it last year, so we know that he could do it again, and he did it. But the only thing I'm scared of is that these big kids, they're rough, man, but he's managing. He's having so much fun, so he's going to do it one more time. Hey, hey, hey. Woo! Good job. Go on, go through that one. Go. Ooh. She gonna put a hat on top of that, okay? Tyler is so excited. Babe, let me see him no move. Ooh, let me see your eye. Eyes on his pony. Tyler, hold on. Wow, Ty. Hey, hi, baby. It's okay, let him focus. Good job, Boo Boo. Good job. Pardon. Voila. 2 hands. Hold the glove with 2 hands.
Oui.
Bon, vous avez fini? Allez, on y va. Merci. Vous avez amusé les enfants? Grand, monsieur là.
Wait, it is stay here. Okay, go, 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 go. 2 hands, 2 hands. Eat it.
Vous voulez essayer de faire ça? Vous voulez essayer ou pas? Oui?
Okay, eat it in here now.
Oui? Alors on va...
Yay! Bravo! Come on, let's go.
You want to use the other one?
Come.
Allez, va faire avec maman. You want to do other... go to this one.
Okay, Mama gonna go and then you go, okay? Look. Mama gonna go, sir. Look at Mama. Boom. Oh no, Mama missed. Come, your turn.
Doucement.
Put it. Put it here.
Ici, mets-le ici.
Put it right here.
Mets-le ici. Allez, maintenant tu tires fort. Voilà.
Yay! Okay, take up your ball. Come. Wait. 30. Put the ball here. Put the ball here. Put the ball here. Let Mama get a turn.
Oui, c'est le
Mama get a
très
turn and
dur.
then you, okay? Wait. Let me go. Oh. Good job. Hit it in. Push it. Oh, you missed. Oh, yay. Take up your ball and come.
I'm excited.
See the flag fell. Let Mama go first. Let me go first. Oh.
Bon alors, qui c'est qui gagne? C'est toi? Oh mais t'es vraiment fort. Pour celui-là, faut que tu... Bon ouais, déjà comme ça. Ça marche aussi. Tant que tu le mets dans le trou, c'est bon. Bravo.
Alright, take up your ball. This
Non, de ce côté.
Ty, go back right. And put it in the hole now. 2 hands. Use your 2 hands to hold the club. Strong. Hit it, Ty. Hit it. Ty, you need to hit it, not push it. Hit. Right. Hit. Right. Like that. Hit. Wow, that was a good one. Hit it now. Yay! Okay, let's do another one. Right. Jump high. Tyler is climbing this big one. He's coming down the slide. Slide! Woo! Bravo! Good job, baby. Go again. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Fast. Up. Oh my God. He's not scared of how high this is. You having fun? Go, 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 go. Fast. Go, baby, go, go. Yeah, go, Ty, go. He's getting tired. He's taking his time to go up. He's taking his time to go up. Okay, reach the top now. Woo! Good job!
Oh Idriss, saute et essaye d'atterrir là.
Go, 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 go!
Allez, tu montes en haut, tu sautes, tu essayes de venir là.
You guys, Stella had a blast at the last obstacle of today, and we're on the beach eating sandwiches and drinking juice. You had fun, Ty? Lots and lots of fun.
Mama,
Yeah.
why are we taking a picnic taking a food?
Not yesterday. It was some weeks ago. Because we're hungry and we need food, right? Right?
Yeah.
Hi, babe. So we are right at the beach eating. You guys, we have been back from a very eventful morning and took a well-needed nap. Now that I've rested a bit, even though I still think I need to rest some more, which I'm gonna do after. But I need to cut my boys' hair. So baby number 1 is up. Hey! Look at him hiding. Why are you hiding under the table?
Because I'm scared.
Yes.
To my...
What? How? When? You're never scared to cut your
I'm
hair.
scared.
Come, get out.
No.
Ty, right now. It's so funny.
Get out.
Come. 1, 2. You reach?
Yeah.
Mama can do everything. Tyler pretty?
Yes.
Oh yes, Tyler pretty. Pink mouth. You watching videos? That's how to keep kids quiet. Have to find some things, watching some things. Right? You finally get out of the bed?
Yeah. And I'm going back in after. Well, maybe not because I have to cook dinner. I have to find something to eat.
Okay.
So I'm gonna do Thai and then do you and then I'll figure out what to cook and then see where it goes from there.
Tyler is quiet. I remember the first time Tyler got his haircut. You remember? At the barbershop? Oh, took 2 hours some things.
I just found him under the table earlier. You didn't see him under the table?
Find what?
I asked him what he's doing under the table. He said he's hiding because he's scared to cut his hair.
Oh no. I saw him under the table. I believe he was playing hide and seek.
No. He said he was hiding from me because he was afraid to cut his hair. I'm like, huh?
Okay.
Hold your head down, Punky. Since they're running, let me show them babe on. Hey, baby, you look sweet. Come show Fibs your hair. So Fibs, you're nice here. Say hi.
Hi.